If you've ever expanded a chart to take up the entire screen and then needed to quickly get back to your regular layout, this walkthrough will make that effortless. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can use these shortcuts confidently the next time you are analyzing the markets. First, make sure you've opened your charts so you are actually looking at a Tradingview chart. Full screen mode is great for removing distractions and maximizing your workspace. But when you are ready to return to your normal view, there are two easy ways to do it with your keyboard. The quickest method and the one I recommend is to press the ESC key. Hitting ESC immediately exits the chart full screen mode and brings you right back to your standard layout. This is instant, reliable, and perfect for those moments when you want to quickly access your watch list, toolbars, or other panels without hunting for on-screen controls. Using ESC won't change your indicators, drawings, or time frame. It simply restores your interface so you can keep working without missing a beat. If you prefer a toggle, you can use both to enter and to exit full screen. Use the keyboard shortcut Shift+F. Pressing Shift and F together switches full screen on or off for the chart. Think of it as a flip. Tap it once to go full screen, tap it again to return. This is handy if you like to move in and out of full screen frequently while comparing price action or organizing your workspace. Just remember that it's a toggle, so each press changes the state. A couple of quick notes to help you avoid confusion. These shortcuts affect the Tradingview chart's full screen mode, not your browser's or your computer's system. Level full screen. If you press ESC and nothing changes, it usually means the keyboard input isn't focused on the chart area. In that case, make sure the chart is the active window so the shortcuts are recognized. Also, if Shift+F doesn't respond, your device or browser may reserve that combination for something else. ESC remains the most consistent way to exit immediately. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.